So let's address the whole Georgia credit repair thing, since several of you have reached out and asked me about it. Sorry if my alarm thing keeps going off behind me every time you move. But anyway, I'm sure everybody's seen the beef between me and the scammer in Vietnam. And I just wanted to address the Georgia thing mainly because it happened. Like, it happened. And I've addressed it before. Never tried to hide, never tried to deny. I just simply didn't know. So I fixed everything, moved everything to Texas. But the thing that a lot of people don't understand about credit repair in Georgia is it's not just that the company can't be in Georgia, because the scammer told a lady from Atlanta that since he doesn't reside in Atlanta or Georgia, he can do credit repair. That's not how it works. You can't do credit repair for a consumer in Georgia no matter where you're located, whether you're in Georgia, California, or Vietnam, where he's actually at. But another thing I wanted to address is the just the racist comments this guy makes, and then people still, sign up for his services. It's very few, but they do sign up for his services, and it's just like, what are you people thinking? One, you're paying way too much money. Two, he's either going to do a credit sweep, or he's just going to take your money, or he's going to do both. But I fixed the whole Georgia thing. I done the right thing, moved everything to Georgia. I have experts that work for me. I have attorneys that work for me. Do you really think attorneys would work with somebody if they were a scam? And we are not a scam. We fix people's credit every day. We get debts waived. We get items deleted. We get money in their pocket. We're doing things that very few are doing in the credit repair space, simply because it's so much easier and cheaper just to fire off a letter and hope and pray that it comes off. Most of the time it's not, especially if it's a really high limit charge off, like a credit card or a repo or something like that. But we can get those removed easily through our factual disputing with our attorneys. It's as simple as disputing everything that's inaccurate and incomplete, including the payment history, sending a letter to them via certified mail, and we want their response to be verified as accurate. I'm telling you that when you work with us, that's what you want to see. When you work with other companies, it's not what you want to see, because if you work with other companies and that's what you see, what are you going to do? What are they going to do? Do they even know what to do if an item is verified? Especially if they're using something like Metro 2 compliance. Metro 2 compliance does not have a way to respond to verified as accurate. It just doesn't. That's not the way Metro 2 works. Consumer laws is very good. It's strong. It's powerful. I believe in it. I do. We use that too for some of our clients that don't want to spend the money for the pre-litigation credit repair. We only charge $99 to do consumer laws as our method of disputing, and we still mail everything certified mail. It costs about $18 just to send certified mail. So it's pretty expensive to send certified mail. I know some people like to dispute online, but you really don't want to dispute online and give up your rights. I mean, imagine you dispute online, you trigger a violation, but now you can't sue them because you agreed not to sue them because you disputed online, which is what they want at the end of the day. But again, the whole Georgia thing, that's something that I've addressed. If you do have any questions about it, leave them in the comments. We're 100% legit. Like I said, we work with attorneys. We're not hiding in some other country trying to rip y'all off like this guy right here. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great night.